Are you ready to level up your boxing workout? Check out Boxing Made Simple's top picks for boxing gear that packs a punch. From gloves that give you the edge to training tools that take your workout to the next level, we've got you covered. Just visit the link in our bio and video description sections and grab the gear that you need to dominate your training. Thanks for watching Boxing Made Simple.
Slipping punches. The art of slipping a punch. Let's show how you slip a jab. Slip, slip. Then you lean your head toward the punch and away. Chin down. Always keep your chin down, hands up. Slip. And all right, you slip left and you slip right. Slip left and you slip right. Left, right. And you slip punches. Now, this is called straight slipping. Let's show how you roll under the punch. Swing a right hand at him, he rolls under. Just swing one at it. Roll under, and you go back, roll back under. Now this is roll. You keep your head up, never taking your eyes off your opponent, and you want to be able to see him at all times. Up and back. Now, you can punch off that move. If you're quick enough, up, bam, boom. Then you go back, right. Say right, left with a hook behind it. Now hook, right hand behind it. Okay? Let's do it again. Okay, roll, right, boom. All right, left, right, left hook. You notice how it's opposite. Hook, right hand. Hook, right hand. And if you go the other way, right hand, left hook. This way, and now, if you're inside, let's do the same thing, but go to the body with them. Slip, bam, right back to the body. Go right back. Stay down there, swing back to the body. You know you swung that body to the stomach, swing right back to the body. Ready? Round one, swing right back, boom. Then to the head. See, this way of getting punches, you riding under the punch. And when you ride under a punch, you hit him with the body, hit him in the body. These are good body shots because what we call blind punches. You don't have to see. A blind man can hit you with those punches. You don't even have to, you can't miss them. See, when you slipping punches, and you find out that the art of slipping punches is a dying art because a lot of guys do not practice slipping the punch. You got to practice making the punch miss you. Something a lot of guys do not do is what they call catching right hands. If you think a guy's going to throw a right hand at you, you step and catch it. You step to it and catch it. Catch. So you catch his right hand and you can throw a hook right off of it. Catch, hook. Catch the right hand hook. And this take timing. You have to practice catching a right hand. You practice this over and over and over. You practice it slow and speed it up. Practice it slow, speed it up. When you get to be a good professional at it, you know, you get guys that can catch right hands. Like I will always use Bernard Hopkins catches right hands real good. Catch your right hand, he'll catch you with a hook. Catch right hands, catch you with a hook. And these are guys that what you call students of the game. They practice and study it till they don't do it wrong. It stays right. So you want to practice, and they say, well, it's old school. Old school is slipping punches. You notice Greg slipping the punch. And now he pushes the jab away from him. Push away from him. Push it away from him. Now, throw the right hand, he can push the right hand away from him. Push it with your other hand. Push the right with your other hand. Just like he pushed the left. When he pushes the right, just push it with his hand. See, he pushes that away. You push and come back with his push, boom. That's push and slip. Make punches miss you. To stay in this fight game long and come out looking like Clark Kent, the mild-mannered reporter, you better learn how to slip punches. Or you will look like a fighter. Somebody says, oh, you must be a fighter. That's because you look like you've been beat up. But when you walk around and don't look like a fighter, that means you can fight.
Yeah, I fell in love with the process.